Quinn and I are here to open boxes. I have a lot of boxes. We got a lot of boxes.
Ooh, I like that box.
You like that box?
Yeah.
Alright, there's one. Don't open it yet. We've got more. Got another one.
2.
And there's 2, you're right. 3.
3.
4.
I have 3.
5.
5.
And 6.
6.
Which one should we open first? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So our friends over at Autoline Pro sent us a bunch of stuff, a bunch of gifts, right?
Yeah.
And they were kind enough to send me not 1 but 2 kits. And a lot of this is going to appear in upcoming videos as I kind of break down the ways we're going to use them for our cars and the ways that I think they're useful in other ways, and I'll get into that. So this is the gas cap kit. You absolutely can. Look at that gas cap kit. First impressions are that the packaging is really nice. All of the boxes have a very uniform look to them. I'll open this one too, just so we have them all the same kind of state of doneness. I'm going to be very careful.
Because you always cut yourself.
I never cut myself. Okay, well, this one didn't have a different box, so I guess we'll wait on this one. I'll put this back, and we'll start with the one you chose. How's that? Here you go, you can go ahead and open it. Alright, well, we should show the camera first, shouldn't we? Here's what's in it. Most of these are going to come with instructions on the top, and so... Yeah, go for it. In this kit, we have 2 pieces, it looks like. That's the main piece, and then these are the adhesive pieces. So the way this works is this end with the adhesive would go on your gasoline receiver. So these are all... This comes with multiple adhesion discs that you can replace, which is great. So 6 total discs. So this kit can be reused 6 times. And basically the way this works is this would go on your gas tank receiver where you fill gas up. This goes behind it, I think, like right here. And then your smoke machine would plug in to that port, and you can fill your fuel system with smoke. Which one should we do next? Ooh, okay.
I hit it.
You did hit it.
Yeah.
Alright, what do we got? Ooh, we got glasses.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It looks like there's, what, some gloves in there too, maybe?
Yeah,
This is the UV kit.
Whoa.
So we've got a bottle of UV dye, and I'm assuming this is probably a black light, which you'll love. Charging cable. Sure. Open them up. Oh, and it's actually, alright, so we can't look into this because it'll hurt your eyes. Never look into a UV light, especially one like this where it has magnification options. So it looks like we can zoom it. Oh, look at that. We can zoom it in and out. And I don't know if twisting does anything, but yeah, look at that. So I guess twisting doesn't really do anything, but you can change the aperture there of the light. Oh, it's okay. You weren't looking into it. You just don't want to look into it. And it was on regular flashlight mode, not UV mode. So we've got the flashlight, which is nice too that it doubles as a flashlight because it's actually a really nice flashlight. It's made of heavy aluminum, it seems, so that'll be nice and sturdy for other use. Yeah, let's open up these. Do you want to wear the glasses?
But it might be too big.
We can probably make it work. Look, they come with a nice branded pouch there. There you go. Put them on. Other way. There you go. Good job.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
They look good on you.
What?
I think. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So these have flip too, which is actually really nice for working on cars Then we have our UV fluid dye, which we won't be opening for obvious reasons, because it goes everywhere if we spill it, and you and I are both really good at spilling stuff. The big purpose of this kit is if you have an oil leak, a coolant leak, really any kind of leak in your system where you can't pinpoint where it's coming from, you can effectively put some of this dye into your oil or coolant and run the car until it leaks, and then use the black light to find wherever it's leaking, because it'll kind of highlight where the leak's happening. So this is a great kit, honestly. Again, first impressions, the box is great. This one did not come with instructions because it's pretty straightforward. I guess most of the instructions are on the bottle itself. The glasses and the flashlight in the kit both feel really premium. So, I mean, in my opinion, this is also a lot more dye than a lot of the kits from like Amazon or whatnot come with. So, I mean, normally the bottles are like this. You want to do that one next?
Yeah.
So this is our bladder adapter for the smoke machine. Ow, and I just stabbed myself with a staple. I did cut myself a little bit. That's okay. Alright, so we've got an instruction booklet. You go for it. And our bladder adapter. So go ahead and squeeze that. Keep squeezing it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yeah, keep going. Keep going, look, it's puffing up. Yep, good job, keep going. Keep going. Pump, 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 pump. Oh no, it's not how hard, you have to go fast like this, look. See it?
Yeah.
Alright, so how this works is, and it's got a nice air release on the handle here. The way this works is you would put this in your tailpipe to block off one of the ports, and then pump it up, and you'll see it expand, and it'll create a nice tight seal. This also works in your intake, really any kind of piping in your car. Once it's sealed, you would plug in your smoke machine on this end, and it has a vent through it that you can pump smoke into the exhaust or intake system and diagnose any kind of leaks there. So this is one of the more specialty items in the kit that's going to be harder to find in other places. Really the main attraction for me with Autoline Pro is that they give you an option to get all the pieces you need in one place, and you get one kind of one-stop solution. It looks like it also comes with a second bladder replacement if you bust the one on there. So again, another great kind of future-proofing tool for the kit there. While we're here, we're just going to talk about this really quick. This is our smoke fluid. This will come with any machine you buy. This is how the smoke works. So this is the Hyper Smoke, and this is the system that they're really advertising heavily. I'm sure you've probably seen it on Instagram. It's shockingly small. I mean, you can see how small it really is. The kit will come with basically everything you need to get started. So we've got a letter here, probably instruction manual. This also comes with its own smoke fluid. So this is probably like what a refill would look like for you. I'm sure it's got plenty in it to get you going though. And then this is the hose adapter. So this end would go into any one of the other adapter kits that we've already looked at. This end goes into the machine. And what's really nice about the machine itself is it's got a included chain. So you can hook this up to your hood, hang it in the engine bay somewhere that's not in the way, that won't get, you know, like knocked over. And the biggest takeaway from this machine that I really like about it, that other machines don't have, is it has two PSI ratings, one of which is normal and one of which is for evap systems. So the evap system one will be a lot lower PSI, so it's at 0 to 1 PSI, and then normal will be higher than that. What you don't want to do is put a lot of PSI through something like your evap system, because it's a great way to like blow through seals or crack plastic and that kind of thing. So for the price, I don't think you can beat this system. I've looked at smoke systems before for two reasons, and this is why I said I would get to. The first reason being for my car. Obviously, having a smoke machine is helpful in a ton of ways, because it's a great quick way to diagnose leaks and issues. The other reason is because we do so much stuff with cinematography around here that having a smoke machine that's this portable and that we can kind of just like set up and let run and not really worry about it for a scene, and is really great. So for us, this will serve two purposes, one being for our cars and two for being more of a mobile cinema tool. So it's great to have all of these accessories with it that will, I'm sure, come into use. But I think the greatest thing about it is just how small it is and how compact it is, right?
Let's do that one.
Okay, and we've got one left.
The
The big one, the big box. So not only do they have the smaller brother, the Hypersmoke kit, which is being heavily marketed and is, I think, newer. They also sell the bigger brother, the Ventus, which they were also nice enough to send me to show you guys. So as you can see, the box is bigger. Great packaging here. You want to open it up?
Yep.
Go for it. I think the lid just lifts right off. There you go. Good job.
Whoa!
All right. So we've got, we've got the bigger smoke machine here, and we say bigger. It's really not huge, but I will say it's noticeably weightier. It's got two ports on the top here. One for smoke, one is the power button. Don't press it yet. It's empty. We don't want to run it empty. It's fully metal design. It's great because it's got a little level gauge here for fluid. It's also got, I think, a PSI, so a PSI rater, a little bubble right there. And this one is battery powered, unlike the Hypersmoke, which will rely on your vehicle battery. And then in this box, we also have a welcome packet. Sure. I don't know what's in there. Another small thing. Whoa, what was that? Oh, look! A baby flashlight. Oh. Check that out. Booyah. It's a pretty sweet flashlight. Oh, God. Okay, and it looks like, so the Ventus kit will come with the same kind of deal as the other kits. Very similar hoses, a much heavier duty hook for hanging the machine, obviously, because it's a much bigger machine. But for the most part, all of the accessories are going to be, I think they're cross-compatible. So I would imagine if you get something for the Ventus, it probably works for the Hyper and vice versa. Don't quote me on that, but more than likely. And it obviously comes with more smoke than the Hyper does. So big thank you to Autoline Pro for sending us a care package. This is by far the biggest blessing ever to have not one but two smoke machines at our use for the shop, and for also making videos. So if you want to see more about these products, make sure you visit their website. It's in our description underneath the video. And if you would like to get yourself a Hypersmoke, which I would highly recommend if you work on cars a lot, it's something that's really good to have, then you should go grab one. And Quinn and I are going to go ahead and keep playing with these, I think. Right?
Right.
And we will catch you guys next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.